What does it mean when you're on the stand and you just tell the judge, I just want fairness? Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for almost 8 years now, and I want to talk to you a little bit and help make law easy about what to do when you're on the stand, specifically, some key phrases that courts hear a lot. So, especially, I hear this especially a lot in the criminal setting. There's certain key phrases, certain trigger words that parties will say on the stand that maybe trigger words isn't the right term because they're very commonly used phrases. I hear them all the time as an attorney. The judge hears them all the time as a judge. It's part of the deal. Um, Parents will say something like, "Well, I just want everything to be fair. I want fairness. I want a fair decision on both sides." Okay, but what does fair look like to you? Like my idea of fair and your idea of fair might be two different things. Like if we're splitting, let's say we're splitting a pizza, my idea of fair might be that I get 3/4 of it, and your idea of fair might be that you get 3/4 of it. But the judge doesn't know that I'm saying 3/4 because I know that you just ate an entire pizza earlier, so you don't need all that much. Or the judge doesn't know that I just ate an entire pizza, and so that's why you're wanting to like you need to be able to explain why you're asking for this, not just what you want, like or what you mean when you say fair. Another one that I hear a lot is, "Oh, well, they're just crazy. They're crazy. They're insane. They're bipolar." Guys, we don't want to use the C word. Um, I will say this till I'm blue in the face. Do not use the C word on the stand. Crazy. We don't talk about crazy on the stand or insane or bipolar. Now, if you're going to call someone bipolar, or if you're going to say that someone's schizophrenic or something like that, either A, be a licensed therapist or capable of giving that diagnosis, or B, have the therapist there with the medical records showing the diagnosis of bipolar disorder or multiple personality disorder or you know anxiety depression. Like if you're actually going to start throwing out clinical terms about the other parent, make sure that you can back it up, because otherwise you're not qualified to give that diagnosis, you're not qualified to give that opinion, and the other side's attorney is going to have a field day jumping up and down objecting to you trying to like use those very key words just to say that you don't like the other parent, or that the other parent is acting erratically, or that they have sudden shifts in behavior. You can describe the behavior instead of use the word. And that's really what I'm trying to get to here is, don't use these trigger words. Don't, oh, they're crazy, or I just want fairness. Say what you mean. Say what you want. You're going to miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. So take the shot and be specific. That's the best shot that you have at getting what you want on the stand. If you have questions about this, give me a call. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.